Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the settings icon and then scroll down to select the device and software tile. Click OK on it and then enter the PIN code if you are prompted to. After that, let's select the About section, then navigate down to Install Update, click OK, and then wait until update is installed. For you to do this, you have to be connected to the network, so make sure that you are connected to one, and then just wait until your update is installed. Your TV will turn off and then restart in a moment. Now just wait until the update is downloaded and installed. Do not unplug your TV from the power cable or from the power source. And once the update is installed, your TV will restart again. So now just wait until we see the home screen, and after that the update will be basically finished and you'll get the most recent software for your TV. And that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.